the Daily Talk.
Hello, Kenny Park here. I won't keep you. I just wanted to talk today about the life of the domestic cat. Now, I have two cats. There is Bastard, and there is Ra. And like many cat owners, I'm rather envious of, well, the way they tend to go about things. So today I thought I would put it all on the line and actually emulate their behaviour. So I got out of my bed at 1:30 in the afternoon. And then I went outside and I wandered about for a bit. I came back about 6 and went back to my bed. Then I got up again about 9 o'clock and I pottered around a wee bit. And now I'm going to go back to my bed. Time now, about 12:30. So for any of you out there who have cats or have observed the enviable position they occupy in modern urban life, I'm here to tell you, having gone through it myself, it's fantastic.